Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily start screen recording on your Honor 600 Lite 5G. So what you guys want to do is go over and swipe down the quick settings. Now make sure that you go over here and not here. You want to go to the control center. Now we got the screen recorder right here. And as you guys can see, we want to allow the screen recording to use our audio. So let's go over, click while using the app. And as you guys can see, during screen recording, all operations on the screen will be recorded. This feature requires access to the microphone. So this is all we know. Now we're going to click OK. And as you guys can see, it started recording. So we got the dynamic island right here. As you guys can see, we can mute ourselves. We can go over and enable the system sound. We can pause the recording. Now, if we want to do something, we just go over and turn it back on. Let's keep the system sound on. Now it's still recording and we can use it for, let's say, any app that we want. So this is the app of our choice. Now, for example, I want to show something to my friend from the Play Store. So I'm going to go over, click on a random game. We're going to click install. And as you guys can see, it is still recording. So now let's go over, hold it and stop the recording. We got it right here. So now let's go over and see it. And as you guys can see, we got our recording. It's pretty smooth. I cannot lie. It's 60 FPS definitely. As you guys can see, we get the notifications that we changed from here. Now we can go over and check our recording. As you guys can see, everything is very smooth. We opened the Play Store now, went to PUBG Mobile, and as you guys can see, everything works pretty fine. So, you can use it to capture any gameplay tutorials or game of your choice, totally up to you. But as you guys can see, the recording works. It's even better than the normal usage of the phone. And that's basically how you guys can do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.